Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to turn off Bluetooth on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as if you want to turn off Bluetooth on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click here and unhighlight Bluetooth box. That is. And if you want to turn on, so highlight Bluetooth box. That is. And other way, click on start, type here Bluetooth. Here option Bluetooth and other devices settings. So click it. And if you want to turn off, so select toggle off position. That is. And if you want to on, so select toggle on position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off or on Bluetooth on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.